Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you how to close your Standard Chartered bank account online. Let's get started. Open your browser and navigate to the official Standard Chartered website. Scroll down to the very bottom of the homepage and click on the Contact Us option. Next, you will need to find the support details for your specific region. Choose your continent, and then select your country from the list. The page will display the local customer service phone number. Give them a call and be ready to confirm your identity using your registered phone number. Once verified, inform the representative that you wish to close your account. They will generate an account closure form and send it directly to your email. Simply fill out the form and email it back. After they receive and process your document, your account will be officially closed. It is really that straightforward. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.